Hi, hello, and namaste everyone. So, guys, in this video reel, we will be seeing a general guidance with respect to your health. So, let's start, and we will be seeing this via tarot. So, here's your first card, Four of Swords, and this card clearly shows now it's time to rest, now it's time to heal, now it's time to recover. Maybe you have a lot of things going on in your mind, but now it is time to take few steps back. Please rest, regenerate, analyze, but you need to heal. Something might have happened. So now is the time to heal. Please keep some things away from you currently, else it will really affect you. Second card is C, Five of Swords. This is what I'm seeing. So with this card, I see that maybe you lost something, or maybe at times it happens. Like we tried to win something, we tried to win over something, but in that also we lose some stuff. So maybe something like this has happened with you, and hence there is a lot of uh, mental stress that I'm able to sense, because see this some stuff's going away because of that. I say I'm sensing this, so please take care of it, guys. Six of Swords. So with this card, I would say that slowly and gradually you need to move from this whatever has happened with you. You just cannot stay there and there itself, right? You need to move ahead. Yes, I'm clearly seeing that it's not that easy. There is a lot of baggage, that pressure and all everything, but guys, you need to move away. And with this water present in this card, I feel maybe you need to drink a lot of water first of all. Secondly, I feel you need to express, you need to process your emotions. You have just, can you see this swords? So with this, I'm getting a feeling you are stabbing those, like you are just suppressing those. So please process those emotions, move forward. This is what is being said, guys. See this, you need to move forward, process the emotions like this water, as this water is always flowing, right? Else it will really affect you adversely. Queen of Wands. So you please do not go on the card. It is king or queen or so. But guys, I would really like to say over here that you need to come in this energy, that you need to become firm, you need to become strong. This is what I would see. And being this a fiery energy, I guess there is some acidity issue or burning sensation in your body for some of them, maybe. So please take care of it. You need to take care, you need to become firm that yes, I need to recover, I need to heal myself, and you need to come out of it. Thank you.